Hi, my name is Ed Hall with the NPI team. Today we're going to review WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Sensor Factory Reset and Reboot. Now let's review a factory reset from the app. A factory reset removes customized programming, returning the device to its out-of-box configuration, and removes provisioning, allowing the device to be provisioned as a new device. Open communication to the desired acoustic ceiling sensor. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap the arrow next to Factory Reset. Tap on Yes at the Factory Reset prompt. The sensor will disconnect from the mobile app as it performs the factory reset, and the sensor will return to factory mode. There's a newly added onboard button to easily factory reset the sensor. If the device is not communicating to the WaveLinx LITE mobile app, use the onboard reset button to issue the factory reset. This button is located under the sensor's front cover plate. To issue a factory reset from the onboard button, press the onboard reset button for greater than 5 seconds and release before 10 seconds. The sensor LEDs should flash yellow to indicate the sensor has received the factory reset command. Standalone mode also offers a sensor reboot feature. A sensor reboot forces a soft reset. During the reboot, any customized settings are retained. To reboot a sensor, open communication to the desired acoustic ceiling sensor. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap the arrow next to Reboot. At the Reboot Device prompt, tap on Yes to reboot the device. The sensor will disconnect from the mobile app as it reboots. Thanks for reviewing the WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Factory Reset and Reboot, and I hope this has been educational.